Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I have another haul. I told you guys we are doing haul marathon week. I have Bath & Body Works haul, Victoria's Secret haul, Ulta haul, Sephora haul. It's going to be a lot of hauls on my channel. I did do some shopping lately. I have 2 bags. So if you would like to see what I picked up in my recent Ulta trips, just keep on watching. Guys, so I have been going to Ulta way more than I should. In this haul, I do have a few things that were sent to me in PR, and I always mix PR with my hauls because I like to show you guys what's new at the stores. So even though I didn't buy it, I still like to put it in here, and I do let you guys know which ones were sent to me and which ones I purchased myself. But I do want to give my thoughts on them or let you guys know what I think about them. Since this is a haul, some of these things I have not even tried. Some of them I have repurchased, so I know that I love them. So we're going to get right into it. I do have skincare, I have beauty, I have hair care, I have fragrance. So let's jump in. First of all, I just want to let you guys know, and congratulations to Nopalera. They are now available at Ulta. So you can shop for these at Ulta and Ulta.com. I have been raving about Bosque Místico for a while. I just really love that scent. So they did send these over. These are body creams. These are the 3 scents that they have at the moment, I believe. I'm not sure if they have any other ones, but we have Dulce de Cuerpo. It has prickly pear oil, which is amazing. I know that that's very hydrating to the skin. So the Dulce de Cuerpo, it's like a resinous amber citrus notes that melt into warm vanilla. So I am going to be trying these, and they did send over the travel sizes that go with each of these scents. So they also sent the travel size perfumes. Since I already have Bosque Místico, that is going to be going into my giveaway box, which I am going to be doing a giveaway soon like I did last time. I think I have enough to fill 2 boxes, so we're going to be doing that soon, and I can't wait. I'm so excited. Anytime I get PR, I give to family, I give to friends, but I always make sure to have a little bin for you guys so that I can give back. So the Bosque Místico is gonna go in my giveaway box for one of you guys, and I am going to be trying these 2 new ones in a new fragrance type of video or something where we can test them out together. We also have Flor de Madera, and Flor de Madera has notes of citrus, fresh florals that blend into sensual cedarwood and musk. And then Bosque Místico has sweet hibiscus, honeysuckle, and they're wrapped in cozy woods embrace. Polite Society sent over some holiday kits or some holiday sets, and I wanted to show these because I think these are great if you have any teenagers in your life for the holidays. I love to give these to my daughter, or last year I gave it also to some friends that we have that they have a daughter that's in her teens, and I know that they really love these types of products. And I feel like Polite Society is pretty friendly when it comes to like teenagers and girls who are getting into makeup. It's not too much. So this one brings 3 travel size blush inside. It brings the shades Paris, Sydney, and Malibu. I'm still not too sure which ones I'm going to keep from these. For sure I'm going to keep this one because I'm the worst person when it comes to names, but on TikTok I have so many girls that I love and follow, and one of them posted this. She does skincare most of the time and she's gorgeous. This is the Cinnamon Shallot Blush and Balm Duo. Isn't this the cutest? Look at the packaging, how cute. And it brings a blush and it brings the lip balm. So I do like this one. I'm definitely going to use this one with like a brown lip liner. And then they also sent over the Naughty and Nice Neutrals. This brings 4 travel size glossy lip balms. So those make really great either stocking stuffers or gifts. I received so many questions on this fragrance right here. I don't know if it's because you guys know that I love Ellis Brooklyn, but this fragrance, I didn't pick it up because, you know, we're heading into, it's fall, we're heading into winter, and I was like, why would I pick that up? But now thinking about it, this is the type of fragrance that kind of smells the best here, or I think I'm really gonna like this in spring and summer. You guys asked me non-stop about the Ellis Brooklyn Vanilla Salt perfume, and I picked up a travel size, and I am going to tell you right now, I'm most likely going to pick up a full size. This fragrance right here, I need it. I need it. This is like a mix of Fleur Soft Spot, which I love so much. You guys know that I ran through that perfume, and I haven't had it for as long as I've had other bottles. It's a mix of that that kind of trend that we're getting with Burberry Goddess and Rare Beauty Rare. But then this has like this beachy vanilla sandy vibe that comes out after when it starts to dry. It's gorgeous. I love it. It's a little thicker than a lot of Ellis Brooklyn scents. I haven't really officially tested it out, but I did spray it on my hand the day that I got it and I loved it. This is really nice. Makes me think of like being on vacation, an evening after the beach, which you guys know I reference a lot because it's one of my favorite things. But very excited about this one. I also picked up a new brush. I picked up this Tangle Teezer Smooth and Shine hairbrush. I've already had this when my daughter took it to her bathroom, so I wanted to get another one to keep in mind. If you have a teen daughter, you know what I'm talking about. They take all your stuff. They just take it all. But this brush I really like for slick back buns. First off, it has a very slight, like, kind of... It has like a curve. There you go. This just, I feel like when you're brushing your hair, if you have curly hair like me or thicker hair, it's hard to get. Lately, I really don't care. If it's not like completely flat at the top, I don't really care anymore. But this is really good to smooth out anything and just getting like a really nice slick back look. So very happy to have my own again. Another skincare product that I've seen so much everywhere and I just have to try it just to see what the rave is about. Hopefully I don't break out, because many times when people rave about skincare products, they don't work for me. For example, the Bioma Phytomucin Serum, I think it is. Everyone loves that so much. I love to see everyone put it on, but when I put it on, it makes me itchy, and I did notice that I was getting bumps right here on my eye, which I hadn't gotten, I think, since living in Kentucky. So that's a no for me. That one doesn't work, but it's more like a texture thing and my skin. But I did pick up the Mugwort Essence from I'm From. I don't think I've ever tried anything from this line, but I did pick this one up because I've heard that it's really good for people who have breakouts. So this is Korean skincare, and this essence contains a single mugwort extract that calms the skin. So it's supposed to be very calming to the skin, and the bottle is so beautiful. It is a glass bottle. Very, very nice. I'm very excited to add this to my skincare routine. I also see this everywhere on TikTok. Doesn't really have a scent to it. So yeah, very, very excited to try this one out in my skincare routine. I also picked up another Good Molecules Niacinamide serum. This is my #1 serum that I recommend for any of you guys if you are experiencing any type of texture on your skin, any type of, maybe your pores are looking a little enlarged. This serum right here takes care of that for me. It gives me glass skin. It gives me the smoothest skin ever. I usually buy the big bottle, but lately I just like buying the little bottle because I feel like I can use it up before it even goes bad or anything, even though I go through these like water. But I forgot to show this from Polite Society with the other PR packages. You guys, look at this Polite Pout Glossy Lip Balm. This is the gingerbread one. You guys, I am so in love with this. When I got this, I just went so crazy. Look how adorable this is. There is a little gingerbread man on the lip balm. This is so freaking cute, and I have to use it now before fall time is over. I already completely destroyed this packaging, but I picked up the Bioma Barrier Lipids Peptides and Avocado Oil Lip Tide Lip Oil. And here is the packaging for this one. Really nice packaging. I'm also going to put this in my purse for hydrating my lips. So I will say, I already tried this out. This feels amazing on the lips. It lasts. It feels thick on the lips, but not thick like gunky and sticky. It just thick like you're just nourished, and it's like taking care of your lips while you have it on, and it lasts on the lips. I also picked up this MAC liquid highlighter in the shade Lightscapade. Why don't we give this a try right now? So I've been seeing so many good reviews on this right here, so I figured I needed to try it out because I love me a good highlight. I'm literally only doing one little dot, and I'm kind of going to go like this. This is how it looks swatched, and then I'm going to take a highlight brush and I'm going to start working it into the brush, and then hopefully this does not mess up my makeup. Oh my god. That's without. That's with. I'm just going to put it in all of the areas that I kind of like to have a glow. Very thin texture. It is a little bit like creamy or like gel, but you can tell that it's light enough so that when you lightly brush it, it didn't disrupt any of the makeup that I had underneath, which is amazing. They do have different shades to choose from, so I do recommend going to the store if you want to see all the different shades. I also saw this on the way to the checkout line and I lost it. I was just like, I need this. I just threw it in my bag. This is from e.l.f. and this is the Glow Reviver Plumping Lip Oil Kit. So this is the one from this year. Tell me these colors are not gorgeous. These two are so beautiful. The shimmery shade, this is beautiful to do like a fall makeup look with. Love it. I'm so excited. I think it was like $30 for the set. Oh, I cannot wait to do like some lip swatches with this. That brings me to the end of this Ulta haul. Those are the new products that I'm going to be adding into my collection and my skincare routine. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And with that said, I will see you guys in my next video.